Whew. Anyway, time to answer the question of the day is, can you tow a truck with a go-kart? Say you're a real reliable Dodge Ram. You're driving on the road, right? All of a sudden it breaks down because they're super reliable. It breaks down and you have absolutely nothing to move it with besides a go-kart because you're not strong enough. So you got a go-kart, you put it in neutral. Can it move it? Honestly, I would be surprised if I still have a clutch after today, but you know, that's okay. I was looking at getting a new one anyway. I don't know, this might be the demise of my go-kart's clutch.
Very ropey smell to it.
Oh yeah, it's like...
You're gonna use this to tie me up in bed?
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
Anyway, back to the video. And this is the only protection I'm gonna have in between me and the rope too. It's gonna be a nice thick layer of cardboard.
The only thing protecting you
this rope.
Snapping rope.
It'll protect me if the rope breaks and comes back. It's just, that's a lot of protection right there. Just having this thing be like triple knotted. And now I got cardboard back there to protect me while I'm driving.
Hopefully this doesn't just like rip your frame apart.
Oh nah, my frame's solid. Even though whoever welded it like did a shit job.
That's what I was.
There's so much like, I don't know, man. I don't like to think about it, especially when I come over here and I'm like, what the hell is that? And that. I don't know. I don't like.
Almost as good as your battery job.
Bro, what?
Almost as good as your battery mount job.
Yo. Oh, rest in peace, the welds. Damn. Nah, battery mounting job was perfect. Beautiful. A little strength test. Oh yeah, considering we have like the rope tied through there like 8 times, I think it'll be okay. All right, Graham, I'm gonna get in there. I did it. Oh, dude, my clutch is smoking out from that, bro. It did not like that at all. I was about to say, I was like, dude, I knew my clutch was not gonna like
Oh, that is, yeah. She's not having a good time.
The clutch is a little upset. That's why I stopped. So, it's able to pull it in neutral.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pulled it a good distance.
It did pull it a good distance, I can't lie. The clutch is smoking only slightly.
It's still smoking.
Still smoking. Let me get a...
Cook some more marshmallows.
Oh yeah, it smells good.
Yellow jacket just landed on my hand. That was terrifying.
Should have screamed extremely loud.
It was on the hand I was recording with, and I was just like, flip the camera up, like, oh.
Oh my God. What is he doing?
Just going. Hey, yo, Emily!
I'll be okay. There's a.
How's it feel?
There's a mark on there.
Yeah,
no, the brakes really don't.
Oh my god.
Only a wee bit.
I feeling that later tonight. Oh, it's tender.